A long time ago I cut my arm with the grinder working on my truck. I still got the scar there. It bounced off my work glove and hit me in the arm. Sliced me open really good. Probably should have went to the hospital and got stitches, but I didn't. So what's up, guys? Been a while since we've been in the garage working on Dead Betty, our 1955 Buick Special that is going to be laid on the ground, on the frame, and a 6.0 LS swap. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, make sure you go and check those out. I'll put a link to the playlist up above. Today, the plan is to get this thing back up in the air and get it on some jack stands, and I need to shift it over just a little bit so I get some space on the other side of the car, and then we will work on putting in the transmission crossmember for the 4L60E that Highwood Customs went through and rebuilt for me. So stick around, watch the video, and we'll see how this goes. Let's get to work. I kind of have to hoist the engine up at the same time because the transmission is not supported yet, obviously, because that's what we're going to work on. Creaking at me. Okay, so we got the car jacked up in the air. I still plan on doing something different with these motor mounts. I'm not happy with these ones. There's some better ones out there, although the ones that I'm trying to get seem to be back ordered everywhere, so we'll see. But anyways, so car's up in the air, got the transmission jacked up and set where I want it to be set. So now I just have to measure across and cut this to length, and then these slide on like that, and then tack them into place, and then should be able to bolt those hopefully onto the original transmission crossmember mounts there. So yeah, let's get to work and do that. Okay, 17 and a half. So that was 17 and a half inches. I feel like I should write that down before I forget. This is 30. This is 32 and 5/8. So then do a bunch of wonky math. Okay, after a brief intermission there where I wasn't doing math for 5 minutes, we need to cut off 7 9/16 from each side of this. So 7. Yep. And then that would leave us with 17 and a half. Okay. Okay, so you can see we have majority of, well, you can see we've got the crossmember in place, lined up one of the holes, which is awesome, but I'll need to drill this one, this lower one over here in. These ones are going to be tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wind up, this is at like a 30-degree angle to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pipe, similar to how I did the mounts up front, and kind of make like spacers that are at a 30-degree angle on this side, and then also on this side, and then weld like a washer on the back side of this one, and then that way I can bolt through that and still clamp the frame on these back two. Fair bit of work there, but is what it is. So I'm gonna give that a whirl. Just gonna drill out these holes in the frame and see how that goes.
Highly sedated, intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream, swimming towards a vicious dream. Nothing's ever as it seems. Bound to believe everything they scream. Don't you know we're dead? We're the walking dead. Oh, 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 oh. We're the walking dead. We're the walking dead.
Okay, so you can see here, right in here, I made those little 30-degree wedges, ran my bolts through, and then on this side, you can see those. That's how I did this side, so with a washer. What I will do is once this comes back out and everything goes to get welded up, I will weld those 30-degree pieces to the frame, and then that will allow the transmission crossmember to come in and out of there easily. I'm just going to get the other side on, and that'll be it. Alright, so that's a wrap on putting in the transmission crossmember. Successful day. Everything went as I planned it would, which is good. So transmission crossmember is in, motor and transmission are sitting in there with all of their weight, which is awesome. Car's jacked up, so I'm able to work on it better. And yeah, next time I get out here, we will be able to work on the Jenny shifter. Super excited for that Jenny shifter. Jumped on board with the build and sent us a full shifter kit. And I'm going to go through and do a step-by-step video on how that goes together and show you what it all looks like on the 4L60E and in the Buick here. It's going to be a really exciting product. It's going to work really, really well. So stay tuned. Hopefully I will get out here again soon and do that. But yeah, one step at a time, little bit by little bit, we are getting this 55 Buick on the road. Thank you everybody for watching. By the time this comes out, the pre-order for the August issue of the magazine will be available, and yeah, there's some really cool stuff in that issue, so make sure you jump on over, pre-order your issue, and yeah, consider buying a membership, because then you don't have to worry about jumping in and buying the issue. You'll never miss them. They come straight to your door, and you're good to go. So yeah, check out the magazine, check out all the merch and stuff we've got at cruisecultureapparel.com, and thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again hopefully next week. Keep Cruise Culture alive. Keep Cruise Culture alive. And hashtag Prince Not Dead.